Okay, so open up your web browser and just type for Azure Data Studio download and click on the very first link, which is the official website from Microsoft. So here, these are the steps by which you can download and install it. So we are going to install the Windows version. So just click on this x64 user installer. A file will get downloaded. Here you can see the steps by which you can install it on Windows or Mac or Linux, right? First you need to download and then you have to start the things. You can uninstall as well. So you can go through this documentation. I'll share this link in the description. So it got downloaded. Let me open it. So this is my file. Double click on it and let's accept the agreement. Click on next, followed by next, next. If you want to create a desktop icon, you can go ahead and check this one, but I don't need. Then just simply click on the next button, followed by this install. Now this Azure Data Studio will get installed. So let's wait for great. So it took less than a minute to get it installed. And now we can launch this. So just click on this finish button and it is asking to access your location. You can provide the access, you can grant the access, and then your Azure Data Studio will get opened. It is asking for recommendation, so just go ahead and click on this cancel button. And here it is mentioned that Azure Data Studio will get retired on Feb 28th. Okay, so you can click on this read more and open what is happening to Azure Data Studio. So Azure Data Studio, it will retire on this and you should migrate to Visual Studio Code. That is what they are saying. So, but for now, you can install it if you want to install it. If you want to make a connection, you can do it. But yeah, make sure that on Feb 28, 2026, it will get retired. So still you have 1 year. So that's fine. It's okay. Now go to your Azure portal. So let me type portal.azure.com and you will land up into this home page and you need to click on SQL Server. Okay. So let me click on Azure SQL and this is my SQL Server. Okay. And this is my database. This is my Azure SQL database. So this we need to connect with Azure Data Studio. Okay. So how do we connect it? So let's go there inside the Azure Data Studio and here you can see a connection icon. So just click on this new connection button and here you can select the connection type as Microsoft SQL Server. There is only one option. If you want for another option, you can go ahead and download the extension. But for now, we in this video we will connect Microsoft SQL Server. Okay. So the input type will be parameter and the server name it is asking. So to get the server name, you have to come here. This is your Azure SQL, and here you can see the server name details. So just copy this and again go back to your Azure Data Studio and paste it over here. And authentication type will be SQL login. Okay, you can go ahead and you can do the Windows or Microsoft Entra ID as well, but for time being, I'll select the SQL login. This SQL login I have selected because that when I was creating this Azure SQL and Azure DB, I had created my username and password. So that username and password I'll use it here. Okay. So username I had given as developer and the password, right? And now it will, if you click here, it will show you the database. So this is my database, WS Azure SQL DB VDL. If you just validate this, see WS SQL Server VDL. So this is my uh, SQL Server, and this is my database, WS Azure SQL DB VDL. Okay, here you can see it. Fine. So this database I'm connecting with Azure Data Studio. Then encrypt is mandatory, trust false, and the remaining things you can leave as is. Just click on this connect button. Now this got connected, and here you can see the tables and all. So these are the tables. You can validate this by opening this DB. So let's go to query editor and just provide your password, hit enter. Already I have opened in my previous tab, but it's still, so it got opened. You can see the table name. So we have DBO schema, sales LT schema, right? So here as well, you can see we have the DBO and sales LT schema. So this is how you can create a connection. So now you can go to file, click on this new query, and you can write it as select a star from, and you can drag and drop, for example, this table I want. So select a star from this and just run it. So you'll get the details and all. So this is how you can create a connection. That's it for now. See you in the next video. Bye bye.